Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about Nigerian Stock Exchange, also known as Nigerian Stock Market. This morning I woke up and a friend of mine sent me a message asking me about how Nigerian Stock Market works and how he can make money from the Nigerian Stock Market. And I told him I'm going to start a series about what Nigerian Stock Market is, then I'll talk about the key indices, I'll talk about how you can invest, and I'll also talk about the key players. So if this interests you, make sure you watch this video to the end because you are going to learn a lot, and I can assure you that you are going to make a whole lot of money, from Nigerian stock market, all by following my instructions, trying to understand how it works, the things you need to do, when to invest, and when to take profit. So stay right there, I'll be right back. So the first question is, what is Nigerian stock market, or we call it Nigerian Stock Exchange? Well, Nigerian stock market is a platform where companies raise capital for their businesses by selling shares of their companies to the public. So investors buy and sell shares, and take profits whenever they like. But the thing is, people need to understand how these things really work so that they don't get burnt or lose their capital or funds, in the stock market. And that is why we have decided to make this video. So the next thing is, who are the key players when it comes to trading stock? Well, number one are the companies. Number two is NGX, that's Nigerian Stock Exchange market. This is a place where the trading actually occurs. The number three is the Securities and Exchange Commission. This is the commission, chosen by Nigeria to oversee the affairs of companies selling shares to the public. Number four, we have investors. These are people like you and I who want to make money from the Nigerian Stock Exchange and are willing to do all it takes, to actually buy and sell these things in order to make profits. Lastly, we have the stockbrokers. These are intermediaries, people who actually trade on behalf of people. The truth is, the reason why you are trading yourself is because you really don't have a lot of capital. But in some cases, we've seen, if you are actually rich or wealthy, most likely you would get a stockbroker that will actually manage your portfolio, manage your funds, help you trade, and also sell when they feel like you need to cut your profit or cut your loss. So it all depends on you. So the next question is, how does it work? Well, there are about 4 stages when it comes to Nigerian Stock Exchange. The first thing is that the company or organization will list their shares. They are going to fix a price. After knowing the worth, the company, the organization will be valued, and after that, they will push out a price as regards what their worth is and how much they are willing to share per capital, or how much they are going to sell each of these shares on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. So like I said, the first thing when it comes to Nigerian Stock Exchange is listing. 2, trading. This is a stage whereby people buy and sell these shares. You can buy a share at 3 naira and decide to sell when it's 7 naira. In some cases, if the value of the organization, maybe they have a terrible PR and the price goes down, they decide to sell at, let's say, 2 naira or 1 naira. At that point, you are cutting loss. Number 3, price determination. This is a stage where prices are determined by market forces, demand and supply, and in some cases, the PR of the organization, because if a company actually eats the rock, maybe they have a terrible PR or something bad happens, the share price will drop, and as such, some places will dump, some will cut loss, and in some cases, if it's something that they still have hope, people might buy low and start selling high when the company gets back again. Number 4 is when payments are settled. In this case, you've made your profit or you've cut your loss, then you decide to withdraw your funds. So funds are settled through the Central Securities, payment system. So all you just have to do is just initiate withdrawal and you will get your funds in your account. But don't forget, this is also determined by the broker you use. In some cases, we have the likes of Chaka. If you are based in Nigeria, we have ViceVest, we have Chaka, we have Bamboo, we have lots of platforms that you can use for this trading. So it all depends on the one you use, and settlements are determined by the platforms you use to carry out this trading. So the next thing is understanding the key indices. Number one, we have the NGX 30. This is a platform that actually is the top 30 platforming organizations in Nigeria. You are going to see their prices, you are going to see their market cap, and you're going to see how they are performing. Now the second one is NGX All Share Index. This one actually shows and indicates the performance of a particular share, all time. So it is not just about 1 month, 30 days, or 2 years, or whatever it is. It talks about since the inception of the share, how it has been growing, the current rate, and all. So like I said earlier, we have the one for 30 days, and we have the one for all share that talks about, how they've been performing over the years. So lastly, what are the ways to invest? Number one, you can invest through a broker, like I said earlier, and this broker can be in form of a security and exchange platform. For example, like Bamboo, RiseVest. There are lots of them. So you have to choose a platform, deposit some funds, and start investing. As such, you can easily monitor the current prices. You can easily monitor the profit or loss you are accruing, and you can also make your withdrawal at any time. Now, the number two way you can invest is through mutual funds. You can invest in mutual funds by investing on a sort of platform, a fund that pools money to invest in the stock market. So number three is exchange traded funds. We also call it ETFs. This has to do with trades like stocks, and some other alternatives in the stock market. So I need you to understand that this is not the only video I'll be making as regards stock market. I'll be making lots of videos as regards it. I'll be talking about the top ones that are doing so well for a particular month or for 3 months. I'll be recommending some international shares you can also buy, while also talking about this Nigerian stock market that I've been talking about. And I'll also be talking about some platforms you can trade these coins easily. And like I said earlier, if you're interested in this topic, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll be willing to guide you and help you make money online. Thank you for watching this video, and bye for now.